now.
What you doing with your leg?
You gonna sit up? Hmm? Look. Look at that. You gonna sit up?
Say the grace. Come here.
Roll over. Come here.
Put something over there she wants.
She likes it. Give her the remote control. She'll turn over for the remote control.
I guarantee she will.
She went all the way across the living room earlier to try and get it. Here. Come get the remote.
She's like, I'm cool.
What's it gonna do?
Play with my toes. Put her on her belly.
You gonna roll over? See? Say I like my remote. There you go.
There she goes. She's sitting up.
Yay!
Look at that. Hey, baby. Yeah, straight in the mouth.
It's disinfected.
It's alright.
And Mommy Cloroxed it. Oh. Here, you want to play your piano? Look. Look. She's like, where's the remote? Look at your belly. Look at your belly hanging over your diaper. Yeah.
Put her on her belly, yeah. Say the grace. Do it. Do it. Sit up.
There you go. Good
Good girl.
Yay!
Yeah.
Say hello. Say yay!